Hi developers. In this video, we are going to see how to filter employee list based on salary. Okay. So for that, we are going to use Lodash. So Lodash is the modern JavaScript library. It provides all the reusable function. It has lot of methods. If you click lodash.com and if you click documentation, you can see all the reusable methods are there. You can use based on your requirement. So in this video, we are going to see three methods. And one is filter. Okay, one method, and another thing is find. Second method is find and find loss. So these three methods we are going to discuss this video. Let's see one by one. Okay. So for testing this thing, we want data. So how we can generate the data? For that, we can go to generatedata.com. So in my previous video, I have explained how we can generate the data by using generate data, or you can generate dummy data. So I'll just recap here. So if you go to generatedata.com, so in this website, you can mention what data type you want and what is the property name. I gave 5 data type and the property name. So I want name, age, salary, country, and whether employee is active or not. Those are true or false Boolean value. Once I gave everything, I will click save. I have generated the data, so that's why it's not enabled. So if I go to my data, here I have 100 employee records. So each record has 5 property: name, age, salary, count, is active or not. I copy the data. I go to Lodash. I just open the developer tools. Here we will play with the data. So first I'll create constant employees equal to, I just paste the employees. Okay. So if I type employees, I'll get 100 employees. Okay. The first requirement is filter. What is filter method? So filter method is mainly used to filter the data from the collection based on our condition. Okay. It has two arguments. First argument is collection, that is the data. The second is what is your condition. So based on what condition you want to filter the data. So that condition we can provide in 4 different ways. So after implementing the condition, it will return the result as a new filtered array. So what are the 4 ways? Let's see one by one. First thing is you can mention the predicate is a function. You can create another function. Okay, there you can do your operation, conditional check. Okay, as a shorthand, there are 3 shorthands are there. So you don't have to create function. So only you have to mention what is your condition. Automatically internally with the help of underscore dot matches, it will convert into function. Okay, so first way is I can pass as a object. Okay, simple JSON object. So that object have the condition. My age of the user is 36 and it should be active. Like that I can pass. The third is I can pass as a array also. I can pass active and it should be false or true. The final is if the boolean, your data has any boolean parameter, that parameter only you can pass. Either it can be a status, true or false, or is active, is available. So like that, the boolean parameter you can pass as a single string. So that also accepted. So now let's try. I have 100 employees. My first requirement is active employees. Okay, how I can get active employees? For that, let me clear console. So underscore dot filter employees that is active. Simple. Okay, I am passing first argument as my collection. The second argument is the parameter. What is the parameter? Condition. It should be is active. So it is giving 51 employees. By default, it will take as a true. What happen if I want inactive employees? Okay, so in that case, we cannot pass. By default, it is taking true. We cannot pass it as a single string. We can pass as an object, key and pair value. So is active is a name, parameter name, the field name, and what is the field value. I am expecting value should be false. It should be inactive user. So 49. So 51 users are active in the organization and 49 employees are inactive. The single line you can do the filtration. The next requirement. Third requirement is I want the employees whose age is 25 and he should be active. So in that case, same instead of false, true, I can convert true. Also, one more condition is age. So here I can give comma and I can add one more condition, age. What is the age requirement? 25. Here it's an array. So only one employee who is 25 years old and is active employee. Okay, so like that. So another my condition is what happened based on country. So the age should be 80. My condition is age 80 and the employee's country can be China. Okay, I want the employee whose age is 80, he belongs to China. So like that, I can pass what is my criteria in the as a form of object. I got one record. Okay, he is a Tara is the age 80 and the employee from China. So like that, we can pass in the object. You can keep on changing. What is your condition? We can pass. We can get the result. This is simple, straightforward, right? It's the exact search. You are giving exact value, whether true or false or age. What happened? You want range. Okay, the age. So let's say one requirement. One requirement came like the age should be greater than 25. I'm giving exact age here 25. But what happened? I want all the employees whose age is greater than 25 and who are the active users. Okay, then I can give like this. So instead of creating the function, let me clear it. Okay, so now underscore dot filter employees and okay, here I cannot give the object because object mainly we can give exact search, but I don't want exact search. I want the range based search. Okay, so for that I have to create one arrow function. I'll iterate the employee list one by one, then arrow function. So that arrow, that function should return predicate true or false. The employee's age should be greater than 25 and employee should be active. I want active employees with age of more than 25. Okay. Okay. I got 45 employees whose age is greater than 25 and they are active employees. So now what the last requirement is, I want the employees whose age, not age, salary. Now we'll take the salary. I want the employees whose salary between $1,000 to $5,000. So what we can do? So underscore dot filter employees and arrow function employee return employee dot salary is greater than 1,000 and employee dot salary is less than 5,000. Got it? So I am passing first argument as a collection. Second argument is the function. That function will perform the predicate operation. So that will return true or false. If the employee salary is greater than 1,000 and less than 5,000, that employee is eligible for the filtered list. So that will added in the new array. So once I return that, I am getting 11 employees are there whose salary is between 1,000 to 5,000. So this is the list. So now the requirement is I want only one employee. Give me one employee. For example, company randomly want to choose the employee, they want to give some gift. Okay, so how we can choose it? So for that, I want to use find operation. Find instead, the filter will give list, but find will give single object. That is the difference between filter and find. So filter will give after the predicate operation, it will give list of result, but find won't give list, it will give single. So what is a single, which value? Here 11 users are there, so who will get it? Okay, so but find automatically fetch the first record. Okay, now Lavina will come, Lavina Woods will come. So let's see, find then employees, comma, the same condition. You can copy the same condition. I will copy the same thing. So instead of filter, I will change to find. Okay, so I just renaming filter to find. That's all. So you can see here Lavina Woods, by default the find method will take first record. What happen if you want lost record? Say for that you can use find lost. Okay, so here that you can give find lost. So this will give last record, find will give first record. So that's all we discuss in this video about filter and various ways how we can do the filter. Okay, then what is that, how we can use find method and what is the difference between find and find lost. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you. Bye.